Ready to conquer project chaos and transform complex tasks into a breeze? Alright everyone, let's dive into the awesome world of Jira subtasks. First, you need to be in your Jira project. Find your project and click on it. Here you can see the project dashboard. We're going to learn how to break those large tasks down into smaller, manageable pieces. Begin by clicking the Create button. This will allow you to create a new issue. After filling out all the required fields, you will need to select the task type. Pay close attention here in the Issue Type drop-down. Choose Subtask. This is the magic key. Ensure the parent task issue is selected for the subtask by using the parent link field. If you want it to be part of a parent, it is absolutely necessary. Now, just like creating any other task, fill in the details. Give your subtask a clear summary that clearly represents the task you are trying to perform. Then provide a detailed description of what needs to be done. Assign the subtask to the appropriate team member. You can also assign it to yourself. Once you've saved your subtask, it will magically appear beneath its parent task on your board. You will be able to change the status of the task to monitor the progress. Watch your projects come to life. As you complete each subtask, your parent task's progress bar will update, giving you a fantastic overview of the project's overall status. Subtasks make everything easier. Congratulations, you've mastered Jira subtasks. Now go forth and conquer those projects, one tiny task at a time.